Hey, welcome to another Windows tutorial. If you've seen my previous how to extract and create a zip file, in that video I mentioned about 7-zip and how it can extract more file formats than the built-in Windows Extractor can. Because if you didn't know, the built-in Windows zip extractor doesn't extract all zip files. It's depending on the size and what files are in there. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to install and use Windows 7 zip, guys. So all we'll do is open our browser, whether it's Google, Chrome, Edge, Brave, Firefox. Just make sure to stay away from the old Internet Explorer, guys, because it's insecure. And then we're gonna type in 7-zip.org. Again, that's 7-zip.org. Then press enter on your keyboard. Okay, so we're at the 7-zip website. And depending on what computer you have, it may be 64-bit or 32-bit. And most likely gonna be 64-bit. And I do think this is only for Windows, guys. So if you want Mac, you're gonna find another alternative, guys, but for Windows this works. So I'm gonna download the 64-bit since my computer supports it. So click the new download button and it will ask you where you want to save it. So I'm just gonna save it in the downloads folder and then click on save. Okay, so when we downloaded the files, just right click on it and click show in folder. And it will load up our file explorer, and I would recommend you scan this to make sure it's safe from viruses and that. According to my antivirus, there's no virus in this, but I would still recommend you guys check the file. Obviously no virus, so this is safe to download, so I make sure it's no viruses. Okay, so to install it, all we do is double click the file. If it doesn't come up, what you can do is right click on the file and go to run as admin, and that should run as an admin. Okay, so this will not show on your end. What you will see on your computer is, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? But if it says the same as the installation file, click yes. Like I said, if it doesn't, click no. Okay, so it will now ask you where do you want to install the program. So I'm just gonna choose the default directory and click install. Okay, so 7-zip has now been installed on my machine. So the way you access it, just left click on controls there, is if you find the zip file, like this one for example, all you do is right click on the file and it might show up 7-zip right here if you're on Windows 10, 8 or 7, but on Windows 11 you've got to click show more options and then hopefully you should see 7-zip. If you don't see it, restart your computer and I think you'll be good. As you can see, you can extract files, extract there, extract to, and then text archive, and not more advanced than the default Windows zip extractor, right? And this is what I mainly use for extracting zip files, 7-zip. So, like I said, all these options right here, guys. If I were to right click on the file, go to show more options than 7-zip, I can actually add to .zip. If I click on that, boom, see how quick that was, guys, versus the default Windows comp version. That was so fast, I must admit, guys. So there we go, that is how to use 7-zip on your PC. Thanks for watching this tutorial.